Working on my 2009 Chevy Cobalt LT, and today I'm going to be replacing the battery. I've tried charging it for a few days, but it just isn't holding the charge. It has 130,246 miles on it. The battery in these cars are located in the trunk. When you're replacing these batteries, definitely make sure you put in the battery vent because it's inside the passenger area. You want to make sure the battery is vented. And the terminals are going to take a 10 millimeter. I always start with the negative terminal first. That way if you accidentally bump your ratchet into anything metal, it's not going to short out when you're doing the positive side. I think the hold down is a 13 or 14. Yep, it's a 13. Okay, I do have an AC Delco replacement battery. And when you're replacing the vent tube, there's a little hole in the bottom of the trunk with a little rubber grommet in there. You just push that in there, then push this in the side of the battery. A lot of times there'll be a little cover in this when you buy them new. Then a 10 millimeter to put the positive cable back on. And then the negative. So usually there's this plastic cover that protects the positive. This car somehow it got broken or removed, so I'm actually going to replace that real quick. I'll also do that when while I'm working on the battery, and that just clips on. And that's all there is to a battery replacement in a 2009 Chevy Cobalt. All the Cobalts are the same, all the batteries in their trunk. And with this car, next thing I'm going to do is finish replacing the wheels with 4 alloy wheels. I've already put 2 in the front. And then some of the things I'm going to do this car in the near future, probably in the next couple weeks, is I'm going to do a leather steering wheel upgrade. And I'm probably going to do a leather interior swap. And then I'm going to put a Chevy Cobalt SS gauge cluster in there. All right, if you like this Chevy Cobalt content, go and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Now that I put the new battery in, I'm going to put the other 2 alloy wheels on the back to match the front. It's just a nice little upgrade to the car. This car is actually in really, really good shape. Last little upgrade are these little Chevy red valve stem covers.